Hi, how are you? Yesterday I have been shooting Glamour and some Boudoir session in studio with the model in Boudoir. This session, I'm trying to make it look classy, sexy in elegant way. So I have her wearing a black outfit. I use hat for some shot and I have her wearing high heels. Then I pose her on in the classy fashion style to shoot a woman in sexy session. And if she is going to publish this photo on her modeling stuff on social media or on her portfolio, in my style, she need to look classy only. It's very important about the poses because all the photo will effective on her image business. This session, I shoot her in a studio and I use the main light. Just put 45 degrees in front of her in this way. And then I have the other spotlight put on the side, 45 degrees too, on the back side to shine her hair and to shine the background a little bit, very soft. Then this will make it more dramatic and easy for editing for me too. So during the session, I am the one who pick the clothes, makeup and hairstyle. Then I will get exactly what I have in my mind. With a studio that not a very big space, sometimes you have to sit down and shoot up to the models. Then you will get the longer leg shot, and I also shoot the half body and the close up also. And also the other important thing, you have to have the models have different feeling, have different face in that session. Then she can get different kind of feeling, like I have her look serious, I have her laughing, I have her feel scared, I have her feel happy. Then she get this all kind of stuff. Sometimes we forget about that, and also the models have one face all the time with different pose, body pose, right? So it doesn't make sense you have many pose, but the face always the same. For me, I always try to make models like laughing, scared, and serious, or different thing. It's good for her and it's good for us too. So here's some behind the scene.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
to editing, I normally always use the Lightroom for basic selection and adjust a little bit of the light and the color. Then I switch to Photoshop. I love it to work on Photoshop because it's, I don't know, I can control everything. So when I work on Photoshop, the first thing I do, I remove everything on her skin that I don't want. For example, the pimple, the pores, and some scar and things that everyone have it, right? So I remove this out and I work on frequency separation to make everything smooth and soft and really nice looking skin. Then I also work on dots and burnt to brighten up the tone and darker some on her skin to make it more layers and dramatic style. Then after that I work on color tone. So in the color tone, I work in what I really want, the style I really want. When you know what you want before you plan to shoot, everything is gone very easy since beginning. Right. Okay, here let's see the result together. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it and try it out in the way of your style. Also, let me know your results. Stay safe, stay happy, stay motivated. I also put the link below more of my works on Instagram, also the models one. So see you again in the next video. Bye for now.